Hi guys, this is Ashok Reddy. Today we will discuss frequently asking Java main method interview questions with answer. Okay, these are the 8 questions is there. These 8 questions frequently asking. Today we will discuss. Before going to discuss uh, this question, yesterday Yesterday, we discussed understanding Java main method. Can we revise this now? Can we revise this now? Yeah. Can you tell me? This is the main method. Public static void main is the main method. Okay. But before going to discuss, I explain how to call non-static method, how we can call static method and non-static method. This is static method or non-static method. Public void print message. This is static method or non-static method? This is a non-static method because here I didn't mention any static, right? So this is a non-static method. How we can call non-static method? How we can call non-static method, guys? By using you can create the object. You can create the object and by using new keyword you can create the object and you can by using reference variable you can call to the method. Okay, this is the way non-static method you can call. Okay, if static method, how you can call static method? If method is a static, okay, if this method is a static, then how you can call this method as a static? This method is a static method, right? Now, sorry, this method is a static. Then how to call static method? Class name dot method name. Okay, directly without creating object. If method is a static, without creating object, directly you can call class name dot method name. Okay, already I explained this one. Okay, yes, don't do this. Okay, then we'll discuss main method. Okay, yeah, whenever interviewer asking, can you please explain main method, then you can explain this is the way. Okay, understanding main method. This is the public static void main is the method. This is string or okay. When without writing main method, can we compile and execute or not? Yes, we can compile a class. We can compile a class without main method. We can compile a class without main method, but we cannot execute. But we cannot execute. If main method is not there, we can compile, but we cannot execute. Why? Why compiler not checking main method? Compiler, whenever you are compiling a source code, it will check any syntax mistake is there or not. Any syntax mistake is there, you will get the compile time error. Okay, if any syntax mistake is not there, you will get the dot class file. Here not checking here main method is there or not. Okay, so that's why here you will not get the compile time error. You are not getting any error. Okay, it is going to execute compilation successfully executing. Okay, then we will get the whenever you compile, you will get the dot class file. Dot class file is nothing but this is the byte code. Okay, whenever you are executing a bytecode, JVM comes into picture. JVM comes into picture. Whenever you are executing a dot class file, JVM comes into picture. JVM. What is the responsibility of JVM here? JVM, it will check. JVM, it is going to check is there any main method is there or not. Okay. JVM, it will check any main method is there or not. Okay. If main method is there, if main method is there, then it will check any logical mistake is there or not. Okay, any logical mistake is there, it will get the runtime error. Okay, if whenever JM checking main method is not there, then you will get the main method could not find main method in the class. Will get the error. What is the error? Main method is not there. Then what is the error you are getting? Main method would not find main method in class. Okay, what is the class? That class name it will display. Okay, then I think you guys understood, right? Yeah. Every Java program execution should be start from main method. Correct na? Every Java program every Java program execution start from main method. Every Java program execution start from main method, end with main method. Okay. Then if your class doesn't have main method, JVM will not execute this class. Already I discussed, right? Then we'll see public. Public is a access modifier. It should be available to all the classes in the project. Okay, if declare class as a public, you can access outside of the class also. Okay, you can access from outside of the class also. So that is the reason declare as a public. Okay, already I explained. If you declare static, what is the use? If you declare method as a static, directly you can call class without creating object. Directly you can call how to call class name dot method name. Okay. Okay, without creating object and call. Okay. As main method is a static. Method. Whenever we are running our Java program, how to running Java program? What is the command? How to run the Java program? Java class name. What is the class name? Generated dot class file name. Nothing but class name. Okay. Java class name. Then JVM. After the JVM, it is going to take. I told already JVM it will check main method is there or not, right? How to invoke the main method? JVM is going to take the class name. With respect to main. Will be getting executed. What is the class name? First name program dot main method. What is the class name? First program. This is the first program. What is the main method? Like that it will invoke. Okay. Who is invoking? JVM is going to invoke. Okay. Then void. It is a return type. Does not return any value. Okay. What is the main method is a name of the this main is the name of the method. It must be exactly main method for JVM to recognize it entry point of the program. It is a just name. Okay, it is a does not return. It is a return type. Return type is a keyword. Okay, does not return any value. String array or this is a parameter of the main method. This is the parameter, right? This is the parameter of the main method. Which is array of the string object. It is the array of the string object. Okay. This is array contain command line argument. This array contain the command line argument that are passed to the program when it is run. Okay, we'll see practically why string array is required in main method. Why string array is required in main method? Yeah, we'll see practically. Okay, now we'll see practically. This is the eighth question. Why string array is required in main method? We will see one by one. Okay. Now I am going to write the program. Okay. Small program. Class public class to write what is the command. Can write after that. Okay. Command what command line argument. Okay. Can give command line argument like that. Okay. Then I can write the main method. Can write the main method. Public static void. This is the string arg. This is the string arg. One more point you guys can remember. String arg. String arg. You can write like this also. You can write like this, and also you can write string args like that. Also you can write string. This is the where arg. You can write like that where arg. Okay, like that array args. You can write any way it is possible. Okay, don't give space, but you can write any way. Okay, this is also accepting. Okay, you can write like that also. Okay, we'll do like that. We'll see same thing. Okay, string. Then tell me what we will do. System dot out dot println. Okay, system dot out dot println. This is I'm printing argument. These are the argument, right? Then what I have to do? We have to concatenate. Then this is the args. This is array, right? Array, right? Any of if I am entering args 0. Whenever running the program, I will tell you. This is copy the file class name and control S. You guys can save program here Java training Java program. Okay, I'm going to save here. What is this? Command line dot argument dot Java. Wait. Okay, now I'm going to compile. Here I saved, right? Right, commands md. Yes. Then here you can write Java C. Java C, what is the file name? Command line argument dot Java. Enter. Enter. Yes, compilation is successful. Java class name space. You can give any argument. Okay, only one argument you can give. Okay, you can give a show. Okay, enter. Yes, you will get the output, right? Because here whenever you are entering, whenever running the Whenever you are running, you will get the, whenever you are running, you will get the output. Okay. 1 minute, guys. Whenever you are running, you will, whenever you are running, that time you are giving the argmin, it will receive the first, first command. Okay. Then 1 minute, guys. No, no. I have to giving, I'm giving here, I'm passing one more argument. Okay, one more argument I am passing, one more argument I am passing, one. Okay, here I'm giving one. Command Control S, go here, Java C, file name.java, compilation is successful. Now I'm going to show, I have to give rating. Okay, enter. I am passing here. Show is first argument. It will pick. This is the second argument. Okay, this is index is 0. This is 1. Okay, then like that it will print. Okay, now what I'm saying now for int I equal to int I equal to 0. Int I equal to 0. I less than or equal to I less than or equal to what is the args dot length. Okay, equal I plus plus. Okay, now I don't want to, now I'm going to print. Okay, this is the, I'm going to comment this one. Okay, now this is the I. Whenever iterating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay, whenever iterating args, this is the args dot length. It will check the length is less than equal to I less than equal to arg. Okay, then it will give the print. Okay, then you could see Java separate D. You have to give 1.0. One more thing, you have to give character is C. Okay, CMD command. Okay. Okay, because compile. Okay, I need to compile, right? Because I changed the code, right? Sorry, I'm going to save Control S, then can give, then Java C can give single line comment, only one character. Okay, done. Yes, it will print, right? Here you can observe, here I pass one string, here also I'm passing string, here also I'm passing what different data types I'm passing, right? This is the double, this is the char. So that is the reason here mention string args. Okay, it allow all the data. Okay, all the data type. I think now you guys understood, right? Why string array arg is required in main method? Why main method in Java take only an array of string as in it as it is parameter. Using array allowed, you passed multiple argument. Correct na? You can pass multiple argument. Correct na? Already you pass multiple argument, right? You can pass multiple argument, right? Then next what is that? using string allow you to easily represent data of almost any data type. Correct na? Any data type allow, right? String here. Already you observe, right? This is the float, this is the char, different data types allowed, right? Using string array allows you have to pass multiple argument, each of which can represent data of almost any data type. Okay, any data type. Correct na? Then this is the program. This is the program. Okay. Okay, copy. Do that. You can just paste it. Okay. Okay, already there. Okay. And it will allow. Okay. Then next. Can we overload main method in Java? Can we overload method in Java? Tell me, guys. Yes, we can overload main method. We can overload main method. A Java class, a Java class, a Java class can have any number of main method. Correct, na? You can any number of main method, but you have but to run the Java class, the class should have main method with signature as what is the signature? Public static void main. Okay. See, this is the program. Already I prepared one program. Okay. See the example. We'll see. Copy. I think whoever learning beginner, I think so not understood, but not a issue. Try to understand. This is the class name. This is the main method. Okay. But here also I given different types of main method. You guys can observe, but method name is same. Method name is same, but parameter is different, right? Method name is same, but parameter is different, right? This is the overload. Method name is same, different types of parameter. This is the method overloading. Okay, so overloaded, right? Method name is same, but parameter is different. What is this? This is the question. Can we overload the main method in the Java? Yes, we can overload, but which one is executed? Which one is executed? I'm going to save main method test. Copy, Control S, Control S. Now to save Java training, Java program. Save it. Dot Java. Enter. Already there. Okay. Control S. Control 1. Yes. Compilation is done. Now I'm going to run. Control 2. Yes. Which one is executed? String arg. Which one is executed? String arg. This one is only executed. Correct? No? Same thing I explained here. Yes. We can overload main method. Yes. We can overload main method. A Java class can have any number of main method. It will allow any number of main method. But to run Java class, whenever you are running Java class, the class should have main method with signature. Whenever you are running, this is main method is must and should present in your class. Okay, you can observe, you can overload, but must and should you can present signature. What is the signature? Public static void main method string arg is the must and should you can present. Okay, I given practically. Okay, we done practically. Now can we declare Can we declare main method as a private, protected with no access specifier? No access specifier means default. Okay. Then it will allow or not? No. No, the main method must be public. The main method must be public. What I'm saying, if your main method you can declare private, public, protect, okay, like that, it will allow or not? No, it is not allow. The main method must be public. Main method must be public. We cannot define main method as private. Cannot define main method as private or protected with no access modifier. This is because to make a main method access to JVM. Okay, we'll see. Can practical we will try now. We'll try, no problem. Java. Ready? We have just copy and paste it here. So this is the class. Always you guys can habituate right like this. Okay. This is the main method. This is the main method. Now I'm going to just you can write main method test. Okay. C Control S. Already we have main method test, right? So little bit we need to change main method test to 1. Okay. Control S. Save it. Method test to 1 dot Java. Okay. Now I'm going to compile. Control 1. Yes, it will compile. Can we run now? Control 2. Yes, it will success. But what is our main method? You can declare private. It will compile or not? Tell me guys, can compile or not? Yes, it will compile because compiler it will not check main method signature. It will main method is there or not. Already explained. It will not check main method is there or not. It will check only syntax mistake is there or not. Okay. Control 1. Compile. Yes, compilation is successful. Can we run now? Control 2. Yes. Main method not found in main method 1. Correct na? Main method would not found. Main method not found in class main method 1. Please define main method as a public static void main. You guys can observe right now. Yes. Now we'll do protected. Okay. Save. Control 1. Yes, compilation. Yeah, this one also same. If we are not declaring we are not declaring any access modifier also, you will get the runtime error. So must and should it can declare public only because why public? This is the you can access outside of the class also. You can declare method as a public. You can access the outside of the. You can access from outside of the classes also. That is the reason JVM only allow public. This method main method allow public only. JVM it will always check the signature is there or not. Public static void main string arg. Okay. Next, can we declare main method as a non-static? Can we declare main method as non-static? No, guys, already I explained. The main method must be declared as a static. Main method must be declared as a static. Main method must be declared as a static. So the JVM can call the main method. JVM whenever running, JVM will call to the main method. Never call the main method without instantiating class. Without instantiating class, if you remove static, if you remove static from main method signature, the compilation will be successful. Correct na? Compilation successful because it will not check any. It will not check main method signature if public is there or not. Main method is there or not. It will not going to check, right? That's why compilation will be successful, but the program fail at runtime because always JVM expected static. Why reason? What is the reason static is required? Without creating object, without creating object, it is going to call. Okay, then forward. Can we change return type of the main method? What is the return type, man? Void is the return type. Can we change? Can we change return type of the main method now? No, no. The return
Yeah,
type of
bro.
the return type the main method. Sorry
Okay.
guys, small work. Oh, can we change the return type of the main method? Can we change the return type of the main method? No, no. The return type of the main method, the return type of the main method must be void only, must be void only. Any other type is not acceptable. Correct now? This is, can we try now? Show flow same, program same with changing any return type. Okay, if I am giving int, whenever other integer, if you return int, float, double, any integer, you can return anything. Okay, you return anything. Okay, I think you guys can know, right? Integer only you can return, right? This is the type is integer. Okay, so control yes, already saved, right? Now control one, yes, it is given error. Okay, should not be declared in the file name main method. Okay, it will give the error. Sorry guys, why compile time error, man? This is the one. Control S, control one. Yes, compilation is successful. The main method, no, it will not going to check. Control two. Yes, we'll get the runtime error because main method must be return a value of void is expected, right? So we define main method as a public static void main like that. Okay. Okay. Then you can declare void. Then it will give 20. I'm going to save control one. Now control two. Yeah, you're going to execute it successfully, right? Then next question. Already I told what is the runtime. You will get the runtime error if you are not declaring return type void. Okay. If you declare y mean, if you declare void, no need to return anything, right? If you declare into whom to return, correct na? So that is the return. That is the reason only it will give void only. Void, okay? Fifth one. Can the main method take an argument other than string array? Already I discussed, right? No. An argument main method must be string array or var arg. Var arg mean I told. What is the var arg? String. You can give three dots. Then args. This is the var arg. Okay. Already I explained here. This is the var arg. Okay. Var arg. No. An argument of the main method must be string array or var arg, nothing but array only. Okay, var arg is nothing but array. Okay, must be, you can write like that. Already explain what is why string array, string arg is required. Okay, because of it will accept, it will whenever you are giving command line any value. Okay, any type of the data it will allow. Correct now? Then sixth one. Can we run define Java class without main method? No, you cannot define class without main method. Starting from Java 7 onwards, it will not allow main method. In previous release of Java, we can have static initializer alternative. Okay, so when before 7 Java 7, it is going to executed without main method because of static initializer is there. Okay, but from Java JDK 7 onwards, JDK 7 only main method is required. Otherwise you will get the runtime error. Okay, from before 7, it will give this is the output. Okay, you can run in Java 6, then you can understood. Okay. Hmm. Can we make the main method as final? Yes, yes, you can make the main method as a final. Can we try now? Can we try now? What is the publish static? Oh, here not ready. Okay. Static final. Control S. Control 1. Compilation is successful. Control 2. Yes, it is acceptable. Okay. Finally, accept. Yes, guys, I think so. I covered understanding main method and frequently asking question. I covered almost all. You can I think so all covered and there is no pending. Please subscribe.